Actually, mababawi naman po yan sa ads eh.
Wala pa, hindi pa naman monetize.
Okay, may ano naman po eh, ambulance eh.
Rain or shine, we wanna have fun. Let's go for a nature relaxation while we do some outdoor activity. Located at the heart of Orani, Bataan, here in KDR Adventure Camp. What a beautiful sunny day. Good thing the rain has abated so we can enjoy outside. But let's have our breakfast first before we start our outdoor activities. To start off, we are going to do the stage 2 millennial steps. We are going down for about 115 steps, and this will serve as our warm-up.
Madulas. Wala yung kalamansi. Ang init. Mag-game. Wala masyadong hangin.
They have an obstacle course that is also good for team building. Yeah, we are not totally prepared, but we will take the challenge just for the vlog.
Relax na lang muna.
In case of accidents or emergencies, there is always an ambulance and a clinic around the area.
Let's go.
Yan po niyan, ilukay. Hindi po siya yung Mas maganda po dito pag gabi makikita yung mga ilaw, yung mga lights. Dito yung mga lifestyle. Tayo na to.
This campsite is also a kid-friendly. There are life-size animals and playground that kids will surely enjoy.
Rawr! Wow! Haba ng buntot niya.
There is also a T-Rex and a dinosaur attraction.
Laki eh. Wait lang, parang madudulas yata ako sa sapatos ko. Pag ako nadulas sa pila. Domino.
Rain or shine, it's absolutely an adventure as we continue trekking in a muddy trail. The next millennial steps to try is the stage 4, having 134 steps.
Ipapasalubong namin.
Dito yata.
Wow!
Umuulan kasi talagang nagawin siya.
Gaano po kalalim yan?
3 feet.
3 feet. Pwede.
Regardless of heavy rains and the bad weather, everyone still enjoy the cold water in Batis. In their alfresco area, they have rentals for go-kart, e-scooter, mountain bike, and a rodeo bull ride. They also have al fresco coffee shop, and a food truck. You can grab something to eat while you hang out with your family and friends. Aside from these activities, they also offer ATV buggy, motocross biking, and airsoft. But unfortunately, they have to limit the outdoor activities due to bad weather. So we always have a reason to come back here and try other things. Also, for music lovers, KDR invites Filipino artists to have a concert. You can check their Facebook page for their updated, scheduled concerts. Music, nature walks, and outdoor activities can help lessen your work-related stress. So if you want to get out from a hustle-bustle city life, visit this KDR Adventure Camp and it will surely distress you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for more updates.